Today in this video, we'll be guiding you how to create auto caption using VN Video Editor app. We'll be going through step-by-step guide to creating auto caption. So let's begin. First, make sure that if your video or voice recording are separate, you need to merge them before using the auto caption feature. And once the files are merged, open the VN app and tap plus and tap on new project. After this, select the video that you want to generate caption on. Now at the bottom you'll find multiple options, scroll it and you'll find auto caption here. Tap on it. Now, depending on your choice, you can set the language or the conversation mode here. After you set your desired settings, hit convert. Here, you'll find an option to edit your text if there are any errors or even delete the section. Now after you're satisfied with it, tap done. Now let's play the video.
The one universal experience is that we're alive, but not forever. The time we have on this floating rock has...
As you can see, we have the caption down here and we can resize it and keep it wherever you want. And you can even lock the caption wherever you want. Just tap the lock button here and the caption is locked. So that's it. Those are the steps to create auto caption on the VN Video Editor app. It's quite simple. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.